Okay, if you are looking at letter E, the question says, does negative radical 64 equal radical negative 64? The answer is no. If you rewrite the first one, your answer would be negative 8, because you take the radical and then multiply it by the negative 1. Radical negative 64 is 8i. Negative 8 does not equal the same thing as 8 times I. So just be careful. Make sure that if it's underneath the radical, we are taking the letter I. If it just has a negative, make sure that you write the negative on the outside. So for letter E, make sure that you have no. Okay, now we're on to the easiest part of today, just adding and subtracting complex numbers. It's the exact same thing as if you were to combine like terms. Okay, so make sure you check the sign in the middle. This one's an addition. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to add like terms. So I have 7 plus a negative 3. That is the same thing as a positive 4. Next, I'm going to add the letter i's together. Treat it just like you would any variable. Negative 2 plus I is a negative I. Final answer. Looking at letter B. Letter B has a subtraction sign, so I recommend getting rid of that by distributing it before you begin. It'd be 5 minus 3i plus 2 minus 4i. Now it's really easy to combine your like terms. 5 and 2 would be 7. Negative 3i minus 4i is a negative 7i. For the last one, again, there's a subtraction, so just be careful to distribute before you begin. You're going to have 1 plus 5i minus 3 plus 2i. Make sure that you are combining the like terms. So 1 and negative 3 would give you a negative 2. Add the i's together and you get a positive 7i.